We divide 776 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down the 7 and it is 27. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down the 6 and it is 26. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. It is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 776 divided by 5 is 155.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.